The Secretary General of the ODM Party, Nairobi Senator, Honorable Edwin Sifuna. Thank you. As I invite our next speaker, allow me as well to convey messages from the Right Honorable Speaker of Nairobi City County Assembly, Honorable Ken Ngondi, the Majority Leader Peter Mwatok, the Majority Whip Moses Ogeto, and Chair Budget Wilfred Odalo would have loved to be here but are not here because of another burial of a member of our county assembly. Allow me to acknowledge the arrival and presence of Cabinet Secretary for Cooperatives and MSMEs Development, Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya. Welcome, sir. Without much ado, Right Honorable Speaker, allow me to invite the Member of Parliament, neighboring constituency, Honorable Dr. Eve Obara, to guide us in the next session. Welcome, Mheshimiwa Obara.
Okay. God is good, and all the time. Bwana asifiwe. Asante sana. Asanteni sana. First and foremost, let me thank God for the gift of life, for allowing us all to be here today for the send-off of our brother, Charles Ong'ondo Were. Two, let me thank each one of you for having shown up today for our brother. Three, my role here is to invite all the MPs present in this gathering for introduction, because this was your colleague in Parliament. But as I do that, I want to remind us, all of us here, on the 30th of April, at a time like this, Mheshimiwa Ong'ondo Were was alive and with us in Parliament. The same 30th of April, we closed Parliament with him still alive. And today, Ong'ondo Were, my shemeji, is here. This is a stark reminder for all of us that we are all temporary. And as we reflect on life, congregants, let us remember who we are. And this message is to all of us, the political class, that as we spend time sometimes plotting and planning for the downfall of our colleagues or of our friends, we seem to forget that we may not be there tomorrow. Therefore, it's a time of reflection on the things that we do as politicians. If there is any time that we should remember to be humble and remember that we are our brother's keepers. Ong'ondo Were died in the hands of assassins. My shemeji used to call himself Yor Nyarai, because that's where I come from. He never called me with my name. Wod Nyangawa Nyarai. So today I'm also a very, very sad person. If there was one person who stood with the ladies in this county, it was always Charles Ong'ondo Were, be it the governor, be it myself, be it Millie Odhiambo, be it Dr. Gogo, or even Joyce Bensouda. Ong'ondo Were was the one who was always there, standing for us, and would even abuse people on our behalf. I didn't want to say that loudly. He would abuse people on our behalf. Today, it's the time to say goodbye to him, to the family you lost the best friend of the wives, of the children, because that is what he kept on telling us. Even on the day that he died, let me tell you that most of the discussion on that day, and I spent a lot of time with him, I can tell you today that most of the discussion was around the family, about his children, about the mothers, and what he was planning. It was about you, that you are on top of mind. So, colleagues, can you please come? Because on the day Ong'ondo died, we were in Parliament, many of us. And when we were called that he had been shot, we left Parliament believing that he was still alive and he was just injured. And many of us were there. They all came, and please, can you please come? Members of Parliament, this was your colleague. Let Joe Kasipul see you, that you have come to mourn your brother. Yeah, come, please. Biuru. As you come, please introduce yourself. Just introduction and go. Introduction. Can do.
Ero kamano kabisa. Yo Kasipul ria. Kasipul ra. Kasipul tibim. Kasipul tialala. Wamama hai. Homa Bay ngwe. Ero kamano jo Kasipul aniluonga ni Babu Owino, MP Embakasi East Constituency. Etho mar Ong'ondo Were ni wadawacho ni wan kaka onagi. Adwani tho mar Ong'ondo Were ni oriwa uru kaka gimoro adi achiel. Kik wariwre uru nikech oganda matin moriwre ber moingo oganda mathoth mokere. Tho mar Ong'ondo ni onego bed a lesson to the great people of Homa Bay. To tho omawa ng'ama jachir, ng'ama notegno, ng'ama ne wacho pache, ng'ama nohero ODM gi chunye adi achiel. Twakwayo jo Kasipul ni umiwa ng'ama ratego kaka Ong'ondo Were ne ratego, ng'ama bokonyo walwenye Parliament. To 2027 wang'ni wantiere gi hope ni gini wang'ni wadhi kawo. Donge kamano? 2027 wawacho ni ODM nitiere gi candidate maber kabisa. Donge kamano? Dong kada Babu Owino romo yawa. Oromo koso koromo? Ero uru kamano.
I can see that we are so many. Please, let us introduce ourselves and sit down. The temptation is to say something and say it for a long time. Please, kindly, 1 minute.
God is good. God is good. Awacho ni God is good nikech Nyasaye manomiyo Ong'ondo, momiyo koro wan kode.
They are going to talk.
Wasebedo kode mokonyowa kaka okonyo. Jothuru wa Ong'ondo ne luonga mani jakodede. Chambe aluonge ni jakolaka. Na aluonge ni wuod nera. Tembo luonga ni wuod nergi. Ne wan osiepe. Okonyowa maber, ambal atiyo kode maber. Kuma Nyasaye otere obed maber.
It was Modoni. Jodalawa, you can't trust the politician with a microphone. Therefore,